Hello everyone, welcome to LearningPad 3D. Today, even a small children say, Mama, open Google Maps. Left turn, right turn, recalculating. Google Maps shows roads, schools, parks, everything. But wait, did you know before satellites, before GPS, before smartphones, there lived a genius called Aryabhata? So let us learn about him in the lesson Locating Places on Earth. Let's listen to him what he's going to tell us.
The globe of the Earth stands in space, made up of water, earth, fire, and air, and is spherical. It is surrounded by all creatures, terrestrial as well as aquatic.
Children, do you see what does he mean about this? He says that Earth is a round globe floating in space. The globe of Earth stands in space, made up of water, earth, fire, and air, and it is spherical. It is surrounded by all creatures, terrestrial as well as aquatic. Children, from kids using Google Maps today to Aryabhata studying the stars long ago, the same earth, the same sky, but the different tools. Let us learn what does he actually mean. When we come to the statement, the globe of Earth stands in space, that means long ago in ancient India, where there were no satellites, no space telescopes, no modern science labs, there lived a brilliant mathematician as you see on the screen. He is the astronomer as well as a famous mathematician, brilliant person named Aryabhata. While most people believed the earth was flat or supported by mythical beings, Aryabhata dared to look beyond common beliefs and asked simple yet a powerful question. Let me write it for you, children. That is, what is our earth really like? So he asked what does earth really look like? Okay, he observed the sky, studied the movement of the stars, watched the rising and setting of the sun, and carefully noted natural patterns. Through deep thinking and scientific reasoning, Aryabhata arrived at an extraordinary conclusion. And he gave this wonderful statement, my dear children, that is, the globe of the earth stands in space, made up of water, earth, fire, and air, and is spherical. It is surrounded by all creatures, terrestrial as well as aquatic. Imagine that more than 15,000 years ago, Aryabhata described Earth as round globe floating in space. Long before modern science confirmed it, he explained that our planet is formed by the basic elements of nature. That is, earth means that gives us land, water forms oceans and rivers as well, fire which represents the heat and energy, air which gives the life, that means what we breathe. Let's listen once again.
Made up of water, earth, fire, and air, and is spherical. It is surrounded by all creatures, terrestrial as well as aquatic.
Do you hear what is telling? Aryabhata also beautifully said that Earth is surrounded by all creatures, both terrestrial and aquatic. From tiny ants on land to giant whales in the oceans, from birds in the sky to humans on the earth, every living being shares the same planet. No one is separate. All are part of one great natural system. His idea teaches us something very important, that Earth is not just a place we live on, it is shared home for every form of life. Children, let us just pause for a moment and think about, before mobile phones, before satellites, how did people find places? Yes, they used maps. A map is a simple drawing of Earth or a place. It shows roads, rivers, building, direction, and important locations. Let us see an example for that.
Map is like a treasure guide. It shows you where things are and how to get to them.
Children, as you can see here, just like Aryabhata helped us to understand the earth, maps help us understand where we are. From studying stars to drawing maps to tapping Google Maps, same earth, new tools as I mentioned. A map is our guide. Earth is our home. And that's what we are going to learn. As you can see, a map is like a treasure guide. It shows you where things are. Children, look at the screen carefully. What you are seeing now is a map. This is a map of a small town. Whatever the name you want to give, please give. A map is a simple drawing that helps us understand places and directions. Places and directions. Let us take a small tour of this town together. Yes, children, please look at this beautiful town. Here is the school where this is the school where beautiful children like you learn and grow. Nearby, what do you see? There is a railway station. Yes, and there is a market here full of colors, fruits, vegetables. Yes, next to it, what do we have? We have a bank, keeping our money safe. Over here, we see the hospital. Here we see the hospital. This one. So, helping people when they are sick. Bank, just now I have told you, keeping our money safe. Market, which is full of colors, fruits, vegetables, and smiling faces like you. And what do we see? We also see a museum here. Yes, museum tells stories of our past. Look, there is a railway station here. This railway station connects this town to many other places. Let me show you this. Here you can see railway station is connecting this town to many other places. Yes. Next, these are the apartments where families live happily together. Do you see these neat roads? Everywhere can you see this? There are roads here. They connect every place. School to park. They also connect this school to market. Yes. School to hospital. Yes. They also connect other places. Roads help people travel easily from one place to the another place. And here, can you see this blue pond here? It gives us water, beauty and freshness to the town. Everything in this town is connected. Everything in this town is connected, and people, places, roads and nature are connected together. So children, let me write it for you. I want everybody to note it down. A map helps us see our world clearly. This is a very simple definition for you. World clearly. It shows where things are, how they are connected. Just like Aryabhata taught us about Earth, maps teach us about our surroundings. Children, let us just recapitulate once again. Map is what? It's like a simple drawing. I'll give you a very simple definition. Map is a simple drawing which helps us to understand places. And yes, you're right, directions. So, we will be learning about 3 different types of maps in our next class. So, till then, please recapitulate these things once again and let us meet in the next class. Please subscribe to LearningPad 3D channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.